things that destroy marriage. You know, nowadays many people are entering marriage the same time are leaving the marriage. Some are lamenting what could be the cause of all this. I have told you earlier, if you watch one of my videos where I throw more light on marriage, I said that marriage is not the height of the person or the rich. Marriage is maturity. Once you are determined that you will face everything that coming out of marriage, then by that time you know that you have made up your mind. So this morning I have to throw more light why some of our marriage don't last, and things could be the cause of it. So resting very, very attentively. But before you are resting, please endeavor to share this video. Please share this video. It can help someone out there. Even if it doesn't help you, it can help someone out there. Things that destroy our marriage you want to rest in is number one, poor communication. Where there is the lack of communication in marriage okwu ekwusigo nkere. Poor communication. Number two, lies. Asi. Then number three is laziness. Number four is suspicion. Number five is lack of trust. Number six is argument. Number seven is lack of mutual respect. Number eight is unforgiveness. Number nine is keeping secrets from your spouse. You know, this one, women always does that. Hey, please, listen. Number seven is deny your spouse. Am I going to make a work on why? I don't want to just say much of it. Number eight, number nine is every form of infidelity. Number 10 is too much talk and carelessness. You know that women, they always like to talk. Maybe if there is something small argument, they would like to scatter all the whole house. So number 12, I think number 12 is letting with your parents than your spouse. Yeah, in sense of that, you cannot give your spouse opinions, any opinion or advice you want to hear. You're allowed to contact your parents. Anything your parents tell you, you know, say that one is final. So it's not good. If there is an opinion, you people can put everything together because you are building a new home by yourself. So finally, nagging. You know what I mean? You say this person is nagging. It's one of things that destroy marriage and many other things. Please, before you embark on marriage, try to checkmate all these things before you come back on marriage. I cannot say more about it. This is where I can stop today. If you need any advice or any information concerning this, please give me a WhatsApp. Then try to share me out on my YouTube page and subscribe.